Good evening and welcome to your monthly speaking test. Today you will talk about your lunch. Please listen carefully and answer in full sentences. Don't worry, just speak clearly and try your best.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice soup and vegetable for lunch.
What time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at 11 o'clock.
Do you eat lunch at home or at school?
I eat lunch at school.
Who prepare lunch for you?
My mother prepare my lunch.
Do you eat rice for lunch?
Yes, I eat rice for lunch.
What is your favorite lunch food?
My favorite lunch food is fried rice.
Do you drink water or juice at lunch?
I drink water at lunch.
Do you eat lunch with your friend or family?
I eat lunch with my family.
Is your lunch healthy?
Yes, my lunch is healthy.
Why do you like your lunch?
I like my lunch because it's delicious and make me full.
Well done. You spoke very clearly today. Thank you for your good efforts. This is the end of your monthly speaking test. Keep learning English and have a wonderful day.
Yes.